Hello everyone, it's Mama TK Reviews. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we're going to make something special. We're going to make a 2-ingredient cake. Yes, a 2-ingredient cake. But first, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Because I already know you're going to enjoy it. You're going to like it so much that you're going to come back for more. So, for this 2-ingredient cake, I know you guys are like, you can't make a cake with just 2 ingredients. But you can. And I'm here to show you guys how to make a cake with 2 ingredients. Let me show the ingredients. Okay, for the ingredients that you will need, you're going to need some ice cream. Just 1 pint of whatever ice cream you choose. It could be vanilla ice cream. It could be chocolate ice cream. I like butter pecan flavor, so I just decided to get butter pecan flavor. And you're going to need self-rising flour to go along with your 1 quart of ice cream. You're going to need 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. That's it. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to mix together to make your 2-ingredient cake. So, you're going to need to use some cooking spray or butter or whatever you like to grease your pan with. This is kind of like a loaf bread, a quick bread. So this is the size of the container that I'm going to use. And also you're going to need a bowl to mix your ingredients with. So let's go ahead and let's get started on this recipe. Move all my stuff out of the way. Okay everyone, make sure you measure your 1.5 cups of flour and put it in your bowl. Make sure that your 1 pint of ice cream is softened. So since mine wasn't softened, I put it in the microwave for a little bit to soften the ice cream. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, pour this ice cream in here with the 1.5 cups of self-rising flour to make my 2-ingredient cake. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it together. Okay everyone, it's done. I have taken it out of the oven. Trying to cut it. You guys see that? There it goes. We have it done. And this is the 2-ingredient cake. Okay everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to taste this cake. Like I said, it seems like it's moist. As you can see, squeezing it. But I want to know what it tastes like on the inside. Does it taste like butter pecan ice cream? Should I choose a different version of ice cream? Let's see if it's sweet. It's still hot, so you know it's fresh that I really did make this. And I did it with the butter pecan ice cream. As you can see, the pecan in the ice cream or in my cake. It needs some icing. It's not sweet at all. It just tastes like bread. So I tried the recipe. It's soft like cake and bread. You do taste the pecan that's in there. Doesn't taste like butter pecan ice cream. Maybe it's the brand of ice cream I chose. It cooked up just like cake. But I would say add a little sugar and vanilla flavoring to it, and voila, it's okay. That's all you need, a little sugar and a little vanilla. And you will have a good tasting cake. Other than that, it's all right. So this is our 2-ingredient cake. Thanks for tuning in to Mama TK Reviews. Have a great day.